Hello friends, Cheoff Geoff here, and welcome to my kitchen. So like so many other people in the restaurant business, I got laid off earlier, I guess Saturday. And what that's done is it's given me a whole lot of free time. And so I still love to cook, and I really want to just give you guys a sense of some ideas that you can cook at home and how I work in a kitchen. I think a lot of friends of mine, they never really see me work, and so here I am. You're going to see me work a little bit, and it's going to be really off the cuff. This is one shot, and here's hoping things go well. So what we're going to learn today is we're going to do a seared halloumi salad. So we're going to start off with the salad here. What I've got is just everything. It's just stuff I've got in the fridge, right? So we got some baby spinach, some carrots, some tomatoes, cucumber. Always throw in something for crunch. So make some croutons. I threw in some peanuts today. And what we got here is some really nice halloumi. This is a nice thick log. My friends at Bar Hop were letting me kind of pilfer the kitchen before I left. So I pilfered some nice halloumi. If you haven't worked with halloumi before, it's a semi-hard, salty cheese, and it's great for grilling, and it's super versatile. You can just cut it up raw, or you can cook it whatever you want. So we're just going to start off here. We're just going to cut some nice thick pieces of halloumi. This is really exciting stuff. And halloumi's it's traditionally it comes from the Mediterranean. You're going to get it from Greece. You're also going to get it in Lebanese food. I've used it in salads. I put it on burgers. It's a super versatile cheese, and these are really thick pieces here. All right, so we're gonna bring this a little bit closer. I've got a cast iron skillet, and again, thank you Bar Hop for letting me borrow a little equipment here. So this skillet, if you guys work with cast iron skillets at home, really important that you kind of lube it up a little bit. So I've just put in a little bit of vegetable oil. Never use olive oil. Always veg oil. Olive oil has a lower burning temperature, so you're not seasoning your pan with something that you don't want it to burn quickly. So what I'm going to do is throw in a little bit of butter here, because butter just makes things just better. That's how it is. So we're going to get it nice and I'm going to turn up the heat. We're going to move that butter around real quick. We're going to throw in the halloumi. And once you really hear that sizzle, and that's like my favorite sound in the kitchen, it's once you really get that sizzle noise, you can have it on high, just turn it down a little bit. The last little piece is, because halloumi it's a very salty cheese, we're gonna brighten it up with a little bit of citrus here. So just a little bit of lemon juice on top of the halloumi. Gonna need one more here. There we go. A little more halloumi, here we go. So hopefully this doesn't burn while I'm rattling on here. We'll see how that works out. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the dressing. This is gonna be a maple balsamic dressing. So just some really simple components, all stuff that you probably have in your kitchen. We've got some olive oil, some EVO, some balsamic vinegar, some chopped garlic, pure maple syrup, grainy mustard, and hot Dijon mustard. It's really easy to do. We're just going to put a half cup of, should have opened these ahead of time, but that's fine. 1, 2, and 3. So kind of equal amounts of your olive oil. So we're going to go for a half cup in here. This is a fair amount that I'm making. How's my halloumi doing? She looks great. Half cup of the balsamic. A little bit of garlic. Just a touch of Dijon. A little bit of seeded mustard. And lastly, the maple syrup. Okay, haven't burned anything yet. The place isn't burning down. So far, so good. We're gonna throw this all in here. Just stir it up quickly with a spoon. And the easiest way to always execute this, if you want it sitting in the fridge, you just I just got it in this little half-liter container. Put the lid on, shake it up till it's all mixed. All right. So back to the halloumi. This is your most important utensil in the kitchen. It's a fish spatula. It's really, really thin and flexible, so it won't damage what you're working with. It's really good for fish, but it's great for the halloumi as well. So we're gonna get these really nice sears. As you can see, I burned it a little bit, but hey, this is live TV, you guys. These things happen. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. I'm gonna turn this way down. There we are. Got some halloumi there. Good stuff. All right. So back to I just didn't get a chance to. Ooh, almost made a giant mess there. Just always taste before you make something. I'm just gonna turn the heat right off that. So I got my dressing here. I'm just gonna taste it, see if it needs anything. Oh, that's bang on. That's great. Okay, so what you want to do here? I've got some fresh cilantro. I really love fresh herbs in a salad. So just like not woody herbs, but you want those nice light herbs, things like cilantro. This would be great with basil or mint. If you've got that stuff growing in your garden or you got it growing on your balcony, just pick some off, give it a wash, throw it in your salad. Here we go. All right, we're gonna give this thing one last little toss. I've got my kitchen tongs, second most important component of your utensil in your kitchen. Just give it a little bit of a toss here. I'm gonna mix it all up. Then we're going to build a salad. I swear, guys, I have completely sanitized my hands. 20 seconds. I think I sung Happy Birthday, but I thought about Michael Stipe as well, but that's a whole other story. All right. I've made such a mess here, guys, but that's okay. So we're just going to quickly build this salad. Of course, all the heavy stuff kind of falls to the bottom. That's fine. So, everything's here. The last thing you want to do, throw just a touch of salt, a little touch of salt, because I forgot to season. Always remember to season, guys. Always remember. A little bit of pepper. There we go. And some halloumi. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of halloumi. Get that really nice seared. That's the beauty of a cast iron skillet. You're going to get really even cooking. You're going to get a really nice flat sear. And there it is, my friends. So I know we're all going through a bit of a tough time here, and I know it's hard to have togetherness and so forth. So I just want you guys to remember, call your friends, FaceTime with people, whatever it is. And when we're up and running again, I'm just always going to say, please just think about supporting your local businesses when you're comfortable and able to do so. Probably now's not the right time, but when we're through this and when we will get through this on the other side, come support us. All right, bon appetit.